Hey everyone, want to get fit and strong? You can. Calisthenics is the way to go. Before we continue, watch this video until the end to ensure you receive all of this important information. What's calisthenics? It's using your own body weight for exercise. That's right. No fancy gym needed. Just you, ready to move. Calisthenics is awesome. You'll build muscle, feel stronger, and have more energy. Plus, you can do it anywhere, anytime. No excuses. Ready to start your calisthenics journey? Let's go. We'll start with the basics. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. We're going to have fun and get fit together. Before we jump into our workout, let's warm up those muscles. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body for the physical activity ahead. It increases your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. Warming up helps prevent injuries and get your body ready to move. It also mentally prepares you for the workout, setting the tone for a productive session. We'll start with some light cardio. Light cardio exercises are a great way to gradually increase your heart rate and get your blood pumping. How about some jumping jacks? Remember those from school? Jumping jacks are a full body exercise that can quickly elevate your heart rate. Jump your legs out, clap your hands overhead. Make sure to keep a steady pace and breathe evenly. Do this for a minute, keep your movements controlled, and focus on your form. Now, let's do some high knees. High knees are excellent for engaging your core and improving your cardiovascular endurance. Bring those knees up high towards your chest. Try to maintain a quick pace while keeping your back straight. Keep going for another minute. Great job. Feel the burn and keep pushing through. Feel your body warming up. Awesome. You're doing fantastic. Now let's stretch a bit. Stretching helps improve your flexibility and range of motion. Reach for your toes, then reach for the sky. Hold each stretch for a few seconds and feel the tension. Release. Shake out your arms and legs. Fantastic. Ready to get started? Remember, a good warm-up sets the foundation for a great workout. Let's do this. All right, time for our workout. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this session is designed to get everyone moving and feeling great. So lace up those sneakers, grab your water bottle, and let's dive in. Remember, if you're new to exercise, take it slow. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard too soon. Start with gentle movements and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. We'll start with some classic moves. First up, push-ups. This fundamental exercise is a great way to build upper body strength and can be modified to suit any fitness level. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also engage your core, making them a fantastic full body workout. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If you can do more, that's great. If not, don't worry. Consistency is key and you'll improve over time. If regular push-ups are too tough, no worries. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's important to find a variation that works for you. Start on your knees or try an incline push-up against a wall. These modifications reduce the load on your arms and shoulders, making it easier to build strength gradually. Next, we'll do pull-ups. Pull-ups can be tricky, but they're great for your back and biceps. They also help improve your grip strength and overall upper body endurance. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, that's okay. There are plenty of ways to build up to it. If you need help, use a chair for assistance or try inverted rows under a sturdy table. Resistance bands can also provide the support you need to complete the movement. Now, let's work those legs with some squats. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower down like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes to ensure proper form. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. As you get stronger, you can add weights to increase the challenge. Feel the burn. That's your muscles working hard. Embrace the sensation and know that you're building strength and endurance with every rep. Keep going, you're doing great. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey. Let's talk more about push-ups. They're like a magic exercise for your upper body, but good form is super important. Start in a plank position, hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line. Lower your chest towards the floor, bending your elbows, then push back up. That's 1 rep. Remember, if you can't do a regular push-up yet, that's okay. Start with an easier version. Try a wall push-up, then progress to an incline push-up, and finally, a standard push-up. You'll get there. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how much stronger you get. Section 5. Pull-ups. You got this. Pull-ups can seem tough, but they're like a superpower for your back muscles. Here's how to do them. Find a bar you can hang from securely. Grab the bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang with your arms fully extended. Now pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. That's 1 rep. Can't do a full pull-up yet? No problem. Try using a resistance band to help you, or try inverted rows. You'll be doing full pull-ups in no time. Section 6. Super squats. Squats are like a gift to your legs and glutes. They make you strong and powerful. Here's how to do a perfect squat. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Lower your hips down and back as if you're sitting back into a chair. Go as low as you can while keeping your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. That's 1 rep. Feel those leg muscles working? Amazing. Section 7. Lunge it up. Lunges are another fantastic exercise for your legs. They also help with balance and coordination. Let's do it. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot. Lower your hips down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. That's 1 rep. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Lunges can be challenging, but they're worth it. Section 8. Plank. You very much. Planks might look easy, but they're a super exercise for your core. A strong core helps with everything you do. Start on your forearms and toes with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core engaged and your back flat. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Try to increase the hold time as you get stronger. Thank you very much for this awesome exercise. Remember, breathing is important. Don't hold your breath. Keep it slow and steady throughout the plank. Section 9. Keep going. You're awesome. This is your journey, and every step you take is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Congratulations on completing your first calisthenics workout. This is a huge milestone, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. How do you feel? Stronger? Already? Remember, consistency is key. The more you stick with it, the more progress you'll see. Try to do this workout 2 to 3 times a week. Mark your calendar, set reminders, and make it a part of your routine. Listen to your body and rest when you need to. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. As you get stronger, you can increase the reps, sets, or try more challenging variations of the exercises. Push your limits, but always stay safe. For example, try decline push-ups. They add an extra challenge and help build upper body strength. Or add a jump to your squats. This will increase your power and explosiveness. You can also add new exercises to your routine. Burpees are great for full body conditioning, and handstands are all great options. Dips will target your triceps and shoulders, while handstands will improve your balance and core strength. Keep challenging yourself and have fun. Fitness should be enjoyable, so find what you love and stick with it. You're on your way to a fitter, stronger you. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. You're doing amazing! If this video has you excited as I am, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. We will have more exciting workout type videos in the future. Thank you.